If you teach adults the same way you teach children, you're missing the mark. Because adults and children learn differently, and understanding that difference is the heart of andragogy versus pedagogy. Pedagogy is a term you've probably heard before. It comes from ancient Greek and means to lead the child. It's the traditional model of education most of us experience in school. In pedagogy, the teacher is the authority. The learner is largely passive. The focus is on structured lessons, memorization, and curriculum designed by the educator. It works well for children who are still developing their identity, independence, and critical thinking. But adults are a different story. And that's where andragogy comes in. Coined by Malcolm Knowles, andragogy is the art and science of helping adults learn. It flips the script. In andragogy, the learner takes the lead. The educator becomes a guide, not a commander. Why? Because adults bring experience, context, and purpose to the learning table. They want to know why they're learning something. They want it to be immediately useful. They want to be treated with respect as capable, autonomous individuals. Andragogy is based on 5 key assumptions. 1. Adults are self-directed. 2. They bring a reservoir of experience that's a rich learning resource. 3. Their readiness to learn is closely tied to real-life roles and challenges. 4. They prefer learning that's problem-centered, not subject-centered. And 5. Their motivation is mostly internal. So what does this look like in practice? It means creating learning experiences where adults solve real-world problems, where they collaborate, reflect, and apply concepts immediately. It means giving them voice and choice in how they learn. This doesn't mean pedagogy is wrong. It's just different. Pedagogy works well when learners need structure, foundational knowledge, or when they lack prior experience. But when learners are mature, motivated, and bring life experience, andragogy unlocks deeper engagement. The best educators know how to blend both approaches. Sometimes structure is helpful. Other times, freedom fuels learning. Knowing when to switch gears is a sign of a skilled facilitator. Andragogy versus pedagogy isn't a competition. It's a continuum. And understanding where your learners are on that spectrum, that's the real key to impactful education. So don't just teach, adapt. Because great education doesn't start with content. It starts with the learner.